If you are a cosmetic maker, somebody who's making any kind of cream, lotion, body yogurt, serums, this is one video you should not skip. Okay. The biggest challenge that every formulator faces, or the production faces, is in terms of the time in heating the ingredients and emulsification, which uses a lot of power consumption, your electricity, your heating cost. And today, this is what we are going to discuss about. If you are a manufacturer, either small or large, this is a very important video, and I urge you to watch it till the end, because what I'm sharing today is not shared by anybody today. And this video is going to amaze you and surprise you that you can reduce your production cost by 80%. Now, what are we going to discuss? A team of highly experienced formulators and R&D specialists have created an amazing product which can take up to 30% oils without heating, for your emulsion. Yes, you heard that right. 30% of oil without heating the emulsion, giving you the right texture, the right consistency, without breaking your head. And today is a very special and simple demonstration where I'm going to show you 4 different formulations, 4 different capacities, and how easy, simple, and cost effective it is. If you are ready, take down your notepads and watch this video till the end. I will try to put down the formula in the description. Let's begin. For the purpose of this, what I have made is I have made a simple gel. This is a simple Carbomer based gel, which is pre-neutralized. Okay. This is a very basic, transparent, crystal clear Carbomer based gel, which has around 3% glycerin in it. So basically a basic water phase of the formula. Then for the first formula, we are using around 10% of oils and 4% of emulsifier. So I've already taken my water phase. This is my gel base, and I am using a CCTG as my oil, which is capryl fabric triglyceride. So I'm going to use 10% of the oil. The process is very simple. Take your liquid phase, add whatever, make a gel, add your oil, add the emulsifier, and just blend it away. So this is 10%, and I'm using 4% of my special emulsifier. Let's stir it down. Let's add 4% of that. That is exactly 4%, and I am adding. So let's see how this works. Okay, so that's my storage. Already see the emulsion happening. I'm going to give it a good stir. And voila, your cream is absolutely ready. And I can see that all the oil is emulsified. This is a pretty thick cream. Best part is you don't need to wait for 24 hours for your cream to stabilize and show the actual viscosity. I'm going to add, so this is the viscosity right now. Let's see if there is change in viscosity when we add either preservative or fragrance. So a nice thick viscosity. I'm going to add 0.3% fragrance here. Let's whisk it. There's no change in the viscosity. It is still pretty thick. Let me add preservative. Take 1% of preservatives. I'm using Eucil Kale 830, which is an excellent antifungal broad spectrum preservative. And I just love that because it has the capacity to endure a lot of ingredients, very much pH stable across range. And there we go. We have a beautiful cream in just under 1 minute. And let me just show you the texture. Let's see, I have not used cetyl alcohol or stearic acid or any other kind of emulsifiers. Let me do that again. Here we go. This is the texture, very nice and thick. And there it goes. So this has 10% oil, excellent for, all kinds of, say, day creams. You can use a different blend of oils. Let's see the next one where I'm going to try using 20% of the oil and let's see how that goes for us. So I'm again going with CCTG around 20%. That's 20% oil. And I'm going to add around 6% of my emulsifier rather than 4%. Let's get to 6%. That's 6% of my emulsifier. Let's see how this one behaves. And let's also check out the viscosity. So what I'm going to do is just blend. The emulsification has started. Let's blend it really well. Cool. It's a very beautiful, very thick cream or gel cream, which is excellent for any kind of skin. I love using cold pressed oils, or say moringa oil is one of my favorites that goes for all the skin types. And I love using that. Just look at this viscosity. It is amazing thickness. Okay, it has a very good hold and I haven't even blended it for more than a minute. Let's check what happens when we add our fragrance and preservative. So I'm going with 0.3% of my fragrance and going with 1% of my preservatives, and voila, very nice. Just look at this. Very nice hold. I'm going to post a picture of all the different variants. So this is with 20% oil, very, very good capacity of holding the oil. You can see everything is emulsified, nothing is split. Let's just check if it has a white cast. I don't think so, but yes. So this is the cream. And there it goes. Very beautiful spreadability and it vanishes immediately. So this is our cream number 2 with our special emulsifier developed by our team of experts. Let's look into the third one. Now let's look at the third variant where I'm using 30% oil and around 6% of the emulsifier. I'm not doing any change in the emulsifier. So let's say 30% of the oil. So that's 30% of oil, and let's stir the scale, and I'm going with 6% of my emulsifier. give this one a nice blend. There you go. A beautiful, beautiful cream with very good stability and viscosity again. And I'm adding 0.3% of fragrance, 0.5% of preservative. And stir. There you have. Very nice, beautiful gel cream, a very good hold. Since my gel was set at a pH of 5.5, I'm not checking the pH of this. Ideally, you should, but since this is a special emulsifier and you have very good pH range stability, just look at this. Beautiful, beautiful hold. If you're liking it so far, just type in wow in the comment section if you're amazed by this product, because trust me, I really am. Next one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use again 30% oils. So this fourth one, I'm going to do it a little differently. You can see it's a very nice gel. Okay, it's very transparent. You can see my fingers out there. And here, what I'm going to do is, since we know that some ingredients do break your emulsion at times, and I have seen that propanediol, Zevia also, which is a very nice humectant-based ingredient, uh, it sometimes do, affect the viscosity of the product. So what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to add my propanediol. Okay, I'm adding at 5%, the maximum that usually people go with. And on top of this, I'm adding my oils, which is 30% oils. So this is a 50-gram batch, so I'm just adding 15 grams of it. Now let's add our special emulsifier, and this goes at 6%. That's like 3 grams in here. Okay, let's get the blending begin. Put this away. Mix, mix, mix. And there you go. Hardly it took me 15 seconds to get the emulsion, but I'm going to mix it a little more. So the texture is much clearer since I'm not using any kind of homozyner or mixer or machine. Let my hands do the job. Okay. So I have given it a good stir for say 20 seconds, and look at the hold. Okay. Look at the hold. The viscosity is not affected terribly. Okay. I'm happy to say that it is one of the most effective and cost-effective emulsifiers that I have used. Let me add my preservative and my fragrance. And there you go. Now this is 30% oils with 6% emulsifier and propanediol, which is known to thin the viscosity with around 0.5% preservative and 3% fragrance. I used premium quality fine fragrances, so I use very little and they really smell amazing. Let us compare the viscosity. Okay, so let's start with number one. Okay, so this is number one. Actually, I have a jar full, so let me give it a whisk. Okay, this is number one, all right, with 10% oils and 4% of emulsifier. This is our number two with 20% oils and 6% emulsifier. So I would say this one, maybe if you want to go for a thick cream or a light cream, but it's still a gel cream, which is really beautiful. This one, I would say for pumpable cream, if you're looking at it. Okay, this is number two. This is number three with 30% oils and 6% emulsifier. So it is a little runny, but it holds its texture. So a little more blending will do the job. And this is number four, which is a very light version with 30% oil and amazingly using propidiol. And trust me, it can take a lot of water-soluble actives. You can use glycol-soluble actives and water-soluble actives in this, and it's going to create an amazing, amazing serum. I just love this peak. I hope you can see it in the camera. I love this peak. Did that just blow away your mind? If it did, type in blown away in the comment section and let me know if you are as amazed as me. This thing can revolutionize the manufacturing of creams and gel creams to an extensive level, reducing the usage of energy, capital, and drop in your comment section what you thought about this product. If you have any queries or concerns, and if you like to try the sample of this, if you're a manufacturer and want to reduce your production cost, this can change the way industry functions. Many other cold emulsifiers that are available in the market are quite expensive. And trust me, this particular product is just one-fourth the cost. So type in your comment section. Let me know your thoughts. Type in, hey, Kias, if you have any questions, and I will be glad to answer it. In tomorrow's session, we will see if this particular product can take up water-based actives and oil-based actives and still give us the perfect emulsion that we need for your products.